Hey guys, it's me Chris from investingwithchris.com, and in this video I'm going to go over the UAMY stock. I had one of the followers or comments come in and basically wanted my analysis of what I think about UAMY. First off, I went to Discover CI and also Guru Focus, and I unfortunately, I tell you what, it's just not a stock that I would be getting in. Day trading, maybe, if you're looking for measly 3% moves. As you can see, it's moved 5 cents today. But I mean, long term or even putting risk into trading, I just wouldn't do it. I find myself more into crypto, especially with the penny stocks, because crypto is unfortunately, or I can't say unfortunately, is moving quite well compared to the penny stock market and some of these stocks that are just not worth it to me. But under the trading view, this is one of the charts I have. This is a customized MACD buy and sell signal that I've built and coded, and also a confirmation last squeeze signal that you'll ever need. A lot of the guys in the Discord server and channels of mine are getting access to this. But anyways, I just want to take a look at the 15-minute and kind of go over a couple things. The volume really just isn't there, as you can see. We've got the hourly, more long-term. We've had some little upticks here and there. And then if you really want to get into it, the long-term, to me, it's just going to be on a downward movement, as you can see. Right here, there is a slight curve. The squeeze is coming out. It's probably going to find resistance or support here at the 113 and maybe even at the $1.25. But overall, as you can see, it's traded less than a dollar, negative 40 cents here. It finally popped, 40 cents here, and then it popped up to a dollar, and then February 21st it took off. And this indicator actually did show that we're off to a green. We came up out of the squeeze here, and it might be, it might pop to $2. But unfortunately, what I'm seeing, the Ichimoku Cloud is showing that it's still bearish. We do have some resistance coming up here, even though in the weekly it does look like it's still showing a buy signal. But for those that are just now seeing this video, obviously you're in a late wave, and I'm just not going to be getting into it. The squeeze chart does show that it's kind of starting to fade out. The RSI's already hit once, and this is also starting to fade out. So over the long term, it's not something I'm going to be getting into. 30 minutes, you can probably, it's all not really looking good for me. But then let's take a look at the Discover CI. I do want to mention that the price to book value is relatively good. It looks like 11.47 in the history. It has been the 46, 64. There is, as you can see, there is a pump in the price to book value compared to its industry. It is doing really relatively better than other metals or in the mining. Price to, where's it at? I wanted to show you something else. Price to book value, you are unfortunately overpaying. It's a 200 to 1. I think it's let's see, where are we at? Price to earnings, PE ratio. Yeah, 200. So for every $200 spent, you're only making $1. To me, that's just not worth it, guys. So that individual who did comment wanted me to take a look at UAMY. It's not something I would be getting into personally. I mean, I'm finding better returns in crypto daily, 5, 10, 20% returns overnight. And this is just something that looks like a long term, you're not going to make anything. And that's just my, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I will make that disclaimer. But I've been in the markets for over 10 years now, and I'm just not willing to invest in something that's not really that well, and I don't see any future squeeze coming up that's going to blow it out of the water. So I hope that helped. Sorry to burst your bubble if you're looking to have a long-term position in this stock. but unfortunately I just don't see it, and I'm not going to be getting into it. So I hope that helped. You can always head over to discoverci.com, check those guys out. The valuation tools that they have to offer are very powerful. Guru Focus, another one. I do have affiliate programs or affiliate links to all these. I'll just post the links down in the video description of this. But as you can see, versus history, it is doing relatively well. That's the price to book ratio. It's versus industry right now, though, it's not doing that well. And price to share value or ratio, yeah, you can see all these there. Like I said, it's just not something I would be getting into long term. So I hope that helped. If you've got any others that you want to me to take a look at, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.